This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gerry, Lynn, Kierstead. Investors take note. Condo is currently leased through November 30, 2020. This updated condo boasts new wooden kitchen cabinetry in a rich mocha color and new stainless steel appliances installed in 2018. The living/dining rooms are spacious and lead straight out to the screened-in patio. Additional features include a 2018 2-ton Goodman HVAC system and a 30-gallon hot water tank. The 2-bed, 2-bath setup is perfect for homeowners and investors alike. Up to 2 pets under 25 pounds each are allowed. This unit is priced to sell. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below.